Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on ICP. Well, not necessarily a daily update, but I covered it yesterday, and well, a lot of people were interested in it yesterday. So I thought, let's do another update. We actually got some bullish momentum. It took some time. I mean, yesterday, and we're now looking at the 1 hour time frame. So I think yesterday we covered the 4 hour. Not sure, doesn't matter that much, but no, I mean, yesterday, what we talked about is that there was a major support at like 9.3 and that we needed to break above that to rally up higher towards, I think I said 10.7 first, but then potentially up to that level at 11.5 and 12.5, which in the end happened. I'm not sure. I mean, there were quite a lot of people in the comments that were, I mean, I wouldn't say hating, but they said that I was, they said that it felt like I was someone who missed out on ICP, which kind of indicates that I was bearish on ICP, but that was never the case. I mean, we talked about the technicals yesterday, and that 9.3 was a strong resistance, and that had been a strong resistance for almost the entirety of the day yesterday, so that wasn't wrong. And I actually did say that I expected a bullish breakout as well. So yeah, I mean, I'm not sure what the deal was, but all right, doesn't matter either. ICP right now is still very bullish. And if you zoom all the way out to the daily time frame, there's still quite a lot of room to grow as well. I mean, we could potentially go all the way up to like $16. Now, people who are calling for $100, I think are wrong. And we talked about that yesterday as well, but I don't mind repeating it. But if you assume that we're going up to a market, to a price of $100, you assume we're going up to a market cap of $50 billion, which I don't think is realistic. I mean, $50 billion is more than XRP, more than Solana, more than Cardano, all of which, and you don't want to hear this, but all of which have more utility and are used way more than ICP. So I know ICP has some great products and has some great developments and has a great community, but I don't expect $100, at least not in the next year or two. All right. But like I said, technically very bullish. Still, there really isn't anything bearish technically about ICP right now, and I am bullish on it. All right. I'm just also realistic, and some people don't like that, but that's the way I am. So if you look at the open interest right now, it's been stable. I mean, we had a bit of a drop yesterday evening, but overall it's been stable, which is, I mean, it's not the worst. All right, it's better than an open interest that is dropping. It's also not amazing. You would want to see this open interest going up, but I'm not sure what is that. I'm just downloading something, but no, for me the main thing is that right now. It seems to me that ICP is bullish. So what I expect, the main resistance level right now is $11. We broke out above that once already, but that did not really turn into something. I think if we break above that right now, I think then we can actually continue this rally. My first price target would be 12.5, but we'll probably go all the way up to 3.25 or 13.25. And from there, we'll see again. From there, I'll do an update and we talk about whether $15 or $16 is a possibility and perhaps even higher. But for now, this is what I expect, and this is what I this is what I expect, and this is what possible. This is what is possible if we break above $11. And sometimes I cannot talk, but if for whatever reason, and I do want to warn you for that because it's Sunday, which is usually quite volatile, and a lot of things are possible. If for some reason, right now the main support level is 10 and 9.3. If for some reason ICP starts falling, because we talked about that yesterday as well, is that ICP probably is manipulated to a certain extent as well. So if ICP breaks below $10 and is not able to get back above $10, or if ICP just breaks below 9.3 instantly, we're going to fall, all right? Because then, I mean, that's such a strong technical breakout that I would say it's unlikely that we would be able to recover from that in the short term. We would be able to find support at $8 and 8.5 and potentially from there rally back up. But a breakout like that technically would include some more bearish momentum. All right, so keep an eye out for that. That's not what I think is most likely, but it is something you should know and you should be prepared for. All right, so those are my thoughts on ICP for today. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.